Kia ora, good evening. Our COVID Delta outbreak is on the move, and not just in Auckland and Waikato. A person has tested positive tonight after returning a weak positive result in Whangarei earlier this week, meaning the virus could possibly be circulating in Northland. Lauren Hendrickson joins us now, and Lauren, what more can you tell us?
Well, Kylie, this person is an essential worker. They were asymptomatic, and that initial weak positive test result was returned on Monday. Now, a follow-up test was taken, and the Ministry of Health has tonight confirmed that the person has tested positive for COVID-19. Now, this person is based in Auckland, but they were tested in Whangarei because they are an essential worker, so they can cross that border. Northland hospitals have ramped up screening as a result, and anyone in the region with symptoms is being urged to get tested.
Okay, so Lauren, what about the locations of interest from this exposure event?
Well, the Ministry has confirmed there are locations of interest in Northland as well as in Auckland as a result of this exposure event. Now, none of those have been released to the public yet, but the Ministry is expected to upload the first of those locations to the website tonight. But the good news, Carly, is that initial test was detected in the early stages of this person's infection, which hopefully means there is a lower chance of transmission in the community. But the COVID-19 Response Minister today issued a warning to the country: get vaccinated or the virus will find its way to you.
Straight off the court and into the clinic.
I played tennis for 2.5 hours and then I just came and got my second dose, so I'm now fully vaccinated.
Milford Tennis Club doing their bit to help vaccinate the community.
We sent out the invitation to all of the members to try and encourage them to come down and get first dose or second dose.
It came with perks.
Sausages and coffees and pizza vouchers from sales and stuff.
And it proved popular.
In and out, super quick. Booked a couple of days ago. Everything's great.
For the first hour, they were queuing down the ramp and round the corner, and we were really kind of beginning to panic that we were victims of our own success. But it's been fantastic.
The country's largest tennis club encouraging others to do the same.
I believe we're going to have jabbed about 120, 130 people.
And how does that feel?
Amazing, amazing, and so easy.
Over 2.1 million Kiwis are now double-dosed. Today, the country's top regions for vaccination rates were revealed. Dunedin taking out the top spot, Marlborough a close second.
I would encourage everyone to look at those stats and make sure your neighbourhood and your community is getting the highest rates of vaccination that you possibly can.
There were 29 new community cases of COVID-19 today. 24 are in Auckland. The remaining 5 are in Waikato. And with Delta spreading south, the border is being bolstered.
Out of an abundance of caution, we have decided to extend the boundary further south.
The new boundary will cover the Waitomo district, including Te Kuiti, as well as Waipa and the Otorohanga districts. They'll be in alert level 3 from midnight until at least Monday.
Feeling nervous about the spread to Waikato?
Oh, definitely. Yes, definitely, because, it's a deadly disease.
Just 3% of cases in this outbreak are double-dosed. Chris Hipkins warning those in rural communities. COVID will find a way to those who haven't had the jab.
COVID-19 will not pass by. That should be crystal clear by now. So please do not wait to be vaccinated.
Epidemiologist Professor Michael Baker agrees and says Kiwis need to be prepared to have Delta on their doorstep.
We need to all plan as a country that we will all be exposed to this virus by Christmas this year.
Getting vaccinated could be the best gift this Christmas. Lauren Hendrickson, News Hub.